Want to impress your friends with delicious cookies? Let's master the art of soft, chewy cookies. Goodbye dry cookies. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Line your baking sheets with parchment paper. Simple, right? Next, gather your dry ingredients. In a bowl, mix 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and ½ teaspoon of salt. Whisk them together. Now, let's focus on the wet ingredients. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of softened butter, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of packed brown sugar. Using an electric mixer, cream these until light and fluffy. Scrape the sides. Then add 2 large eggs, 1 at a time, plus 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix well. Gently combine the dry mix with the wet. Avoid overmixing, stir until just combined. Now fold in about 1½ cups of chocolate chips. Here's a bonus tip: chill your dough for 30 minutes. It enhances flavor and texture. Scoop the dough onto your baking sheets, leaving space between scoops. Bake for 9 to 12 minutes. They should look slightly underbaked. Once baked, let them cool for 5 minutes on the sheet. Then transfer to a wire rack. Or enjoy a warm cookie immediately. Relish your soft, chewy cookies. Perfect for sharing or a special treat just for you. Try baking them today.